So my wife just purchased this slow cooker. The old one we had packed up after nearly 10 years. Now looking inside, it looks quite fancy. I think it's slightly bigger than the old one we had. Now it does quite a lot of cooking styles. Now we're just going to open it up and get it out so I can test it before she gets back, of course. So this is it inside. The first thing we see is a spoon. Now I think this spoon actually sits on top from the picture. It sits on top of the slow cooker. And it looks quite fancy. Nothing special. Right, now we've got the lid. I knew it was a lid. It looked like it was a lid. There it is. And the top part is where you put the spoon. Let's start getting some more of this stuff out. Now if you can subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Now inside we've got the pot that you put all your food in. Although there is something else inside. I think it's called a steam rack where you can put your vegetables. Let's just take it off. I don't want to damage the packaging in case it's not working properly. I can send it back. So there it is there. That sits in the pot that I expect somewhere. So let's now try to take out the main unit. That's the pot where you put the food in. Put it to one side. And now we've got, well, I've got some other bits and pieces on it, but come on, over to the other side, to the box. Thank you. That's the model number, in case you want to Google it. So let's take off all the wrapping that protects the base. So right now we've got the basic controls. So that the pot sits inside the base, and that I think that's up the wrong way. No, actually that is the right way around. And you put the top on, and there you go. I'm going to do another video, so if you want to go onto my site, you'll see how it all works. All I've done is plugged it in and pressed the on-off button and press the high-low button. So, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And I'll see you on the next one. And thanks for watching.